The Spreadsheet Mastery Course, turning Excel skills into a recurring curriculum. Your VLOOKUP fluency is a business. Here's how to package spreadsheet know-how into modules people pay to master. Somewhere in your inbox is a coworker who begged you to just fix the spreadsheet real quick, and you did it in 4 minutes with a formula they'd never seen. That reaction, equal parts relief and awe, is a market signal. Spreadsheet fluency, lookup, pivot tables, Power Query, a little app script, is one of the most reliably monetizable skills in the creator economy because it produces something people can hold. A working file, a live dashboard, a report that used to take 3 hours and now takes 3 minutes. This guide is about turning that skill into a tiered course. Not a video library people forget to finish, but a curriculum where every module ships a real, working template as proof the learner leveled up, sold through one link. Why Spreadsheet Skills beats Excel course as a product. Learn Excel is a category. Build a finance dashboard that refreshes itself every Monday morning is a product. The difference matters because generic courses compete on price against 1,000 free YouTube tutorials, while outcome-based courses compete on results. Anchor every module title to a task someone already has on their to-do list. Cleaning messy CSV exports, building a sales dashboard for a boss who hates scrolling, automating a weekly report so it stops eating your Sunday night. Name the pain, promise the artifact, deliver both. Positioning check. If your module title could describe a YouTube video, rewrite it. If it describes a finished file someone will actually open next week, you're on the right track. The tiered module blueprint. Structure the curriculum in 3 or 4 tiers so a curious beginner and a data-hungry operations manager both find their entry point. Each tier should stand alone as a purchase. Nobody should feel forced to buy the top tier just to get something usable. Here's a blueprint you can adapt directly, with illustrative pricing to show the spread, not exact numbers to copy blindly. That last row is where recurring revenue actually lives. A one-time, all-access bundle is fine, but structuring it as a membership, a small monthly charge that keeps delivering one new template a month, turns a single course launch into a subscription line that renews without you doing a new launch every time. Make every module ship a real template. The single biggest completion killer in course design is a module that ends with "Now go practice." Instead, end every module with a finished, branded template file, the exact one you built on screen, available as an instant digital download the moment the lesson wraps. This does 3 things at once. It gives learners a dopamine hit of visible progress. It gives you a natural proof of work screenshot for marketing, and it gives skeptical buyers a reason to trust that Module 5 will be just as concrete as Module 1. Foundations module ends with a formula cheat sheet template they can drop into any workbook. Automation module ends with an actual Power Query connection file, pre-built and ready to point at their own data. Dashboards module ends with a full dashboard shell, charts, slices, and conditional formatting already wired up. Bonus: use some custom checkout fields to ask what industry or role the buyer is in. Then tailor the example data in their template accordingly. The template isn't the bonus, it's the receipt. It proves the lesson actually worked. Price it so beginners start and power users upgrade. Give away one small, genuinely useful template for free, a single formula cheat sheet or a basic budget layout, as a lead magnet. It costs you nothing to distribute, and it's the fastest way to prove your teaching style before someone commits money. From there, the foundations tier should be priced low enough to be an impulse buy, and each tier up should feel like a clear step change in what's delivered, not just more of the same. Because paid plans on store.fan carry 0% platform fees on the Pro plan, the price you set is much closer to the amount that actually lands in your account, which matters a lot when you're running 4 price tiers instead of 1. Set up the storefront so delivery feels instant. None of this curriculum design matters if delivery feels clunky. You can open your store, fan in the time it takes to brew coffee, then use the store designer to build a page that actually looks like a course catalog. A cover photo, an avatar, and content blocks that lay out your 4 tiers in order so buyers self-select the right entry point. When someone pays, whether by card, PayPal, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, they get their template and course access delivered automatically on screen and by email. No manual file sending. No, give me a sec to attach this. Run a launch week discount code on the automation tier to convert foundations buyers who are already engaged. And use broadcast emails to your customer list every time a new monthly template drops. So the membership tier renews itself in people's minds instead of quietly lapsing. If you want to see how a creator lays out tiered digital products on one page before building your own, a live example store is worth a scroll. Launch checklist. Free lead magnet template built and set as a free product to collect emails. Foundations, automation, and dashboards tiers each have a finished sample template attached. Store page laid out with cover photo, avatar, and content blocks in tier order. Custom checkout field added to capture buyer's industry or use case. Launch week discount code created for the automation tier. First broadcast email drafted announcing the course to your existing list. All access membership tier tested end-to-end for delivery of the first monthly template. Common questions from course builders. Key takeaways. Sell outcomes, not hours of video. Each module should end with a downloadable file the learner can actually use that day. Tier the curriculum. Foundations, automation, dashboards. So beginners and power users both have a price point that fits. Templates double as lead magnets. Give one away free, gate the rest behind paid modules. One storefront link handles course access, template delivery, and upsells to 1-1 review calls. Recurring revenue comes from reselling the same curriculum to new cohorts every month, not from constantly producing new content. Start your creator store free at store.fan.